everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into WalkMe, a powerful digital adoption platform designed to help users navigate complex software with ease. But before you jump in and buy it, there are some very important things you need to know, from pricing and features to setup requirements and whether it's really the right fit for your business. So we will cover how WalkMe works, who it's best for, and what you should consider before making that big investment, so you can make a smart decision and get the most value out of it. Let's begin. WalkMe is a digital adoption platform, or DApp, designed to help users understand and effectively use software applications. So it overlays step-by-step guidance, tips, and automation directly on top of any web-based system or app without changing the underlying software. But before we go to the features and products, you might want to check the pricing plans first, because let me tell you that here in WalkMe, they do not provide the pricing plans publicly. Okay? So what you need to do is click the request a quote so that they can offer a tailored fit solution depending on your business size, business needs, and of course, your budget. All right? One of these sales experts will contact you if you want it. And also, it's also worth taking note of that if you wanted to request a demo, right here, it would be nice to set up a free trial so you can get a hands-on feel of the software before committing to buy it. This way, you'll know if it fits your goals, needs, and learning curve. All you have to do is provide all the information needed and request a demo. Now, we are going to show you some of the known products here in WalkMe. Number one is going to be the platform overview, giving you deep UI technology, omni-channel integrations, and of course, the enterprise-grade security. Now, with this, you have a high-level view of everything happening in your WalkMe environment. Of course, you have the system health and performance, showing you how your WalkMe content is performing across different apps or sites. Now, think of it as your command center, where you monitor and manage your digital adoption initiatives. All right, so this is how your WalkMe content is performing across different apps or sites. And then there is going to be the data, wherein you have the application usage, workflow analytics, form analytics, and license optimization. Because with the data, it focuses on analytics and insights. You have a user analytics showing how you can track users interact with their system or app. You have an engagement metrics showing completion rates of walkthroughs, clicks on launchers, or views of shoutouts. You have goal tracking, letting you measure how effectively WalkMe content is helping users complete key processes. This helps you make data-driven decisions, figuring out what's working and what needs improvement. And then there is going to be the action, where you have the guidance creation, workflow automation, and of course, workflow accelerators. With the action, you can create and automate tasks or content to guide users. You have a build smart walkthroughs, like a step-by-step guide for processes. You can set up launchers, buttons, or icons users can click for help. You can create shoutouts or smart tips, messages, or tool tips that appear on screen. You can automate actions based on user behavior or events. Basically, this is the build and deploy part of WalkMe, where you take action to improve user adoption. And then there is going to be the experience. We have the in-app guidance, conversational interface, and WalkMe menu. You can focus on the end user experience because the experience tab shows how your guidance actually looks and feels for users, involving design and customization, themes, colors, and placements for WalkMe elements. You have a segmentation wherein you can decide which users see which content. For example, you have a new user versus advanced users. You have a user testing and feedback, ensuring your walkthroughs and tips are intuitive and not intrusive. This is where you fine-tune the experience to make sure guidance is helpful, smooth, and align with your brand. Now, not only that, WalkMe gives you 5 reasons why it is considered as the top digital adoption platform. Okay, so it offers you the enterprise capability designed to handle the needs of large organizations that can support thousands of users, integrating with complex systems like Salesforce, Workday, or SAP, and maintain strong security, scalability, and compliance. So basically, it's powerful enough for global companies that have multiple departments and tools. Of course, it is an AI-led innovation. It uses artificial intelligence to improve user experiences and automate guidance. For example, it can predict where users might get stuck. It can suggest help or next steps automatically. It analyzes behavior patterns to optimize their training and workflows. Now, this makes digital adoption smarter and more personalized rather than manual or one-size-fits-all. And of course, it is built for ease of use. WalkMe's interface is designed so non-technical teams can build, edit, and deploy walkthroughs, tooltips, and in-app guides without coding. The goal is to make digital adoption tools easy to create and manage, even for people who aren't developers, saving time and training costs. It also gives you the value-driven digital adoption, okay, focusing not on outcomes alone, but with features, because it helps companies ensure employees actually use new tools like tracking adoption metrics and productivity gains, showing digital reduced training time or fewer support tickets. And then there is going to be the DAP standard, which is for digital adoption platform, and WalkMe is recognized as a leader or standard setter in this space. It basically defines what DAP should do, like simplify software use, drive user engagement, provide analytics on user behavior, enable faster onboarding and change management. So when WalkMe says the DAP standard, it means it's the benchmark others are compared against. Now, if you'd like to explore further, you can also check authentic user reviews, detailed feedback, pricing information, and potential alternatives to WalkMe. You can visit trusted software review platforms like here in Capterra and G2.com. These sites provide valuable insights from real users, helping you make a well-informed decision that fits your specific needs and budget. And with that being said, WalkMe is a powerful digital adoption platform that helps businesses simplify software use, onboard employees faster, and drive productivity through interactive guidance and automation. It's ideal for large organizations that rely on complex software stacks and need to make sure everyone uses them efficiently. However, let me tell you that if you are a smaller business or only need basic user onboarding, it might feel a bit too advanced or pricey for your needs. The best move, again, you need to sign up for a demo or free trial so you can experience how WalkMe fits your goals before making a commitment. And as always, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more software breakdowns and honest tech reviews. And if you have any questions or maybe your own experiences with WalkMe, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And if you want us to cover another platform, let us know. Would love to hear it. Okay? And thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.